In this video, we're gonna focus on external division. Before we solve some question here, please write down this. External division is a point that lies outside the line segment. External division is a point that lies outside the line segment. The mathematical expression for external division is p of s comma y is equal to class n s2 minus n s1 over m minus n. For coordinates y, we have m y2 minus n y1 over m minus n. Please take note. Now, sometimes to identify an external division, we can easily identify that from the ratio. Please take note. In our last video, I told us how to identify some division when it's internal division and when it is external division. Now, if I have 2 points and a point divide the 2 points internally, we call it an internal division. So if I have 2 points and a point divide the point externally, that is apart, okay, we call that external division. Now, sometimes also we can use the ratio to know if the point is an external division or an internal division. Now, we say that when the ratio, that is n ratio n, when m is greater than n, we can call this external division. Please, sometimes, it's not most times, please take note. If it is being defined, we will know if it is an external division or internal division. But if there's no definition, or if it's not specified in the equation, if the division is not specified in the equation, we can use the ratio to know if it's an internal division or an external division. But if it's specified in the equation, we can solve using the one that is given to us. So if I have two ratios here, m and n, if m is greater than n, we can call this external division. But if m is less than n, we can call this internal division. Please take note of this, okay? Now let's solve some question here to understand this perfectly. Question 1, please. We are given a question here. Question 1, they said, find the coordinate of the point P that divides the line joining point A 2,3 and point B 8,9 externally in the ratio 2:1. All right, this point here is an external division. Solution for before we solve this question. Solution, please. The formula for external division is given to us as P of s comma y is equal to class n s2 minus n s1 over m minus n. The next is for coordinate y, m y2 minus n y1 over m minus n. Please take note. And I told us earlier before now that sometimes to identify if a division is an external division or an internal division, we can specify that from the ratio. From this ratio here, n is greater than 1. It means that this particular question is an external division, even when it is not mentioned here. Please take note, okay? So let's impute the values and the coordinate here. Let's impute the values here. The ratio 2 ratio